Welcome everyone, this is Tyva, and this is one of the most important videos that I will probably ever add to my channel. Are you looking for a legit way to make money from home? If you are, stick around. I got some excellent things to share with you. So I've been working from home since about 2015, and I have learned a lot of great things along the way. And I've had quite a few people reach out to me and say, "Hey Tyva, is there anything that you can show me in order to make more money at home?" In 2015, I started sharing my knowledge with Cricut, Silhouette, and Scal 5 to creators that wanted to create products and sell them. Applying the knowledge that I've learned from doing that, I'm going to show you how you can create something of your own that requires no machines or extra tools to buy. So let's get started. Foremost, I'd like to welcome you all to the platform if you're new, and welcome to this presentation. The only thing that I ask that you have during this presentation is an open mind and a willingness to learn. So let's go over a few reasons why people choose to work from home. If you have a moment, comment below in the comment section what were your reasons. My personal reason was I wanted to have more time for my family. I had an eldest daughter who is now in college now, her freshman year, and I also have 2 children that are autistic. So I wanted to be able to spend more time with them to help them get the resources that they needed in order to be successful. Unfortunately, not a lot of jobs will let me leave when my children need me. So whenever I had to make doctor's appointments, pediatric appointments, or if the kids were sick, I didn't have the flexibility to leave that position without my job being threatened. So in 2015, I sat down and thought about different ways that I can create income from home. At the time, I only need $600 per month in order to stay home. Using some of the techniques that I will share with you today will allow you to do the same. So now that I've shared with you my reasons for why I wanted to work at home, what are your reasons? So the next question you may ask yourself is, why should I take this lesson? Why should I take this leap of faith? I can only tell you that sometimes it takes doing something different to get different results. And a lot of people are scared to take that leap of faith. Many of you have been on my learning platform for quite a few years, and you have your own personal testimony as to how easy to follow the information that I've given you was. So to give you more clarity as to who will benefit from this lesson is great for people who want to earn an additional income to supplement the income that they already have, for people who would like to learn a new skill, for people who would like to earn a full-time income or a part-time income from home. And one of the many reasons why I want to introduce this to you all is because many of you all have a Canva account. And because you all are very familiar with Canva, I want to be able to show you how you can use it to make you even more money. Those of you that are new to my community and have never used Canva before, don't worry. Taking action and with a little practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Another reason I choose to create this lesson is because I had quite a few people in my community say that they wanted to learn what I do, but most importantly, they wanted to learn how to create something of their own. They need money now and they need money today. Now, quick sidebar, I actually did create a work from home gig list that has over 50 different gigs and work at home remote opportunities from legitimate companies that you can actually get. I include that information in my description box. And here's one of the legitimate websites that will hire you, and they will also send you equipment to work for their company. So let's get back to our lesson. So a lot of people are struggling finding their path. They're struggling with trying to find something that is easy for them to understand, easy for them to do, and all they have to do is keep repeating the same process over and over. Maybe you're one of the people listening to this that have put in job applications, that have taken a number of long assessments for jobs that didn't hire you or call back. You were able to find jobs, but the pay rate wasn't what you want it to be, or the schedule didn't work with your lifestyle. I'm pretty sure many of you have heard the saying, "There's nothing like your own." And that saying is very true. Learning a skill set that will allow you to work anywhere where there is internet, whether it's from your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, or your computer, is so important today. Many creators, along with myself, have been able to earn and generate hundreds, if not thousands of dollars working from our mobile devices. The only thing that's stopping you from being successful is your own personal fear. But I can tell you transparently, the rewards tremendously outweigh the cons. Now I'm going to share with you one of the things that I call a momism. This is something my mom told me when I was about the age of 11 and I started my first gig, which was braiding hair. She said, your 9 to 5 will pay your bills, but your hustle will always pay you. So from the very young age of 11, my mom instilled in me that yes, it's okay to have a 9 to 5, but you also need to cultivate your gift and cultivate my passion. And right now my passion is teaching you all. And I share that momism with you with the hopes that it will inspire you. I want this lesson and this knowledge to inspire you to create something of your own so that you can improve the quality of your life and do some of the things that you want to do. Could you use an extra $500 a month? What would you do with that extra $500 a month? What if you were able to scale and build a business to where you can make an extra $500 per week? How would that change your life? How will it change the life of your family? Those are some of the things that I want you to think about while we do this lesson. It's 2023, the digital era. Don't you know there are millions of people creating income online with e-commerce, selling digital products, opening up their own online stores, and it is just mind-blowing what we can do to create income online now. Doing an online business gives you the opportunity to meet people from all over the world. Having your online store allows you to create a business with very low cost startup versus opening up a brick and mortar or what people call a storefront. The cost of having your own online store is a lot lower than having your own storefront or what people call a brick and mortar. So now you're probably saying, Tyva, what is it that I can sell in my online store? In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create your own digital product. And my special gift to you is that I've already created a digital product for you to use and practice with so you can begin to make your first sale by the end of this lesson. The question that many people have is, what is a digital product? A digital product is a digital product that solves life issues with solutions. For example, I'm providing you all with a solution to how you can make money at home. And many of you have various reasons as to why that is a need for you in your life right now. You may have encountered plenty of bumps in the road, opportunities that weren't legit, opportunities that were hard to understand, not being able to find a facilitator or a mentor to walk you through step by step. Believe it or not, that's one of the reasons that motivated me the most to actually create this course. And even though I'm giving you your first product to sell until you can figure out your own groove and passion and way, believe it or not, if you dig deep and think about that one problem that you can help someone solve, you can make hundreds if not thousands from that one product. That is the beauty of selling digital products. Not only are you helping someone, you're helping yourself in the process. And the beauty of this is that you don't have to be an expert. All you have to do is know one or two more things than someone else and be able to share that with them. One of the most beautiful elements of selling digital products is giving answers to people and remembering who you were when you needed those same answers. So with that being said, I need you all to check the description box for clickable links of some of the things that I talked to you about today. One of my special gifts that I'm giving to you is your first digital product that I created so that you don't have to worry about creating a digital product at this moment. I will then show you how to upload that digital product to your own website. But I've also included some important resources and links in that description box. So now that we're approaching the end of this lesson, I need you all to click the link to get your free Canva account if you don't already have it. I'm going to give you your first ebook to sell, and I'm going to show you the link that you need to click on for your free seller's account. Many of you may not have a Stripe account, so I definitely need you to click the link in the description box to go ahead and set your Stripe account. Okay, everyone, we have reached the conclusion of this video. I want to take a short break because I want you all to go ahead and go through the description box and get your free account so we can move on to the next lesson. And those of you that have been in my community long enough, I know that you all love the fact that I keep my lessons and my videos very short, so I am going to stay true to that. Comment below this video if you have any questions, and I look forward to sharing more knowledge with you all. See y'all in the next lesson.